Okay, so I got a little project here. The tile in this very old building have started to release from the floor and are no longer sticking. As you can see, we got a lot of loose tile. And so I'm gonna have to remove the tile, clean the area, prep it for an adhesive, and then apply the adhesive, allow the adhesive to set for a certain amount of time, and then we'll be able to put the fresh tile on and have a lot better situation. So, stay tuned. I'm gonna clean this up and come back with the tile removed, and then we'll go to the next step. All right, so we got the adhesive down. It's pretty tacky now, and the next step is to install the VCT. And once I get it installed, I'm gonna go ahead and put the stove back in place, just so the tenant can use their stove over the weekend. And when I come back next week, preferably on Monday, I'll be able to add the wax coating to this area, and everything will be good to go. All right, let's get it. Okay, the floor is finished for now. I'll be back Monday to wax it. Okay, so here's the grand finale. You see the floor shining. You see the shine? Got the new, and then did a buff and also a wax, and then that helps bring it back up. All right.